Hello, World Wide Web of friends. I'm Larissa Velez-Jackson, reporting from boarding school at Impulstanz in Vienna via the Dance Web Scholarship Program. I have chosen today to interview representatives of Mother Nature, and we are here to speak in particular about performances seen in the past couple of days of legendary artist and director and misogynistic creep Jan Fabre. I propose to ask these representatives of Mother Nature some questions of what they think about this power of theatrical madness. Hello. I'm wondering what is perhaps your thoughts on theatrical representation and beauty as it exists in the work of this misogynistic, megalomaniacal creep, Jan Fabre. Do you have anything to say? Well put. And what then is perhaps your thoughts on the power of duration as proposed by these highly repetitive and difficult work? Yes, your thoughts on the power of duration. I agree. It's laughable to you, isn't it? My interpretation of this statement is that, yes, this is laughable to the representatives of Mother Nature. Let's speak to some more different characters here. Some of these participants are too free to cooperate with my interview right now. Lucky them. Not so lucky as the white pigeons that were tied. I think their little feet were tied together. They were held in such a way as they appeared on the stage that they really didn't look well. And then they were placed on the floor, and the audience was made to see them writhe about on the stage. And I wonder if some actually got some kind of sick pleasure out of this experience, and perhaps so. But I wasn't really interested in receiving a badge of honor from this artist for actually enduring such acts of violence. Let's talk once again. Let's see if this free creature of nature will stand to be interviewed on the topic. Really, the ladybug won't really stand still to be interviewed. She is exercising her freedom, I suppose. Lucky her. Shall we talk about duration a little bit more, then? Let's see. This representative of nature looks up for an interview. I think this massive pine tree has a different perspective on the power of duration. Then again, maybe we should cut the tree down and put it on the stage of the Berg Theater and see if this theatrical framing changes our perspective. Perhaps. Let us interview more representatives of Mother Nature.
Hello. Representative of Mother Nature. What is your idea of this constant misogynistic representation? Do you think that you would stand by and support images of women being violated and oppressed? Would you stand by and have your bottom spanked repeatedly? What are your thoughts?
What is your relationship to duration? And do you consider this perhaps an earthquake that is shattering theatrical convention to its very core?
World Wide Web of friends, nature has spoken.